friends, and welcome to Little Woods Art. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this fun spring tree. What you're going to need are some paints, water, paper, and a straw. So let's get started. First you're going to take a piece of paper, and the first part is to paint the trunk of the tree. So what you're going to do is get your brown or black, either one, really wet, and you want to make a puddle of brown up towards where the top of the tree would be. So you want it pretty wet, okay? Then what you're going to do is take your straw, and I'm going to pick this up, and you're going to blow into your straw. Now, if you don't have enough branches, just take your brush and add a little bit more paint. Make sure it's like a puddle. Okay. And just blow on it again. All right, then you're gonna take your brush and just pull that down so you have a trunk. You can make it curved, you can make it straight, and add a few little roots at the bottom. Then you set that aside and let it dry. Now I have one that I did earlier that has dried. Now the next step is really fun. You are going to take your Q-tips, dip them in water, and then dip them in paint. And then you just dab on the leaves. You could add green if you want to flip your Q-tip over, and you could add some yellow. You could add some red if you want blossoms on there. You can overlap it. Okay. So this part's a lot of fun. Make a lot or a little, however you want to do it. Okay, then I'm going to take one Q-tip and dip it in the red and maybe some orange. I'm just going to make some flowers that are kind of growing down here. Okay, and I'm going to take one and put some purple on, and I'm going to make some purple butterflies. So I'm going to put 4 dots next to each other. See how that makes a cute butterfly? Maybe I'll make a bluish butterfly right here. And maybe I'll mix a little bit of purple inside that blue. Okay, great. Now if you want to add sky, you could just polka dot some sky. Now in art, this type of painting with points is called pointillism. And there's some very famous artists that use this method where they painted their whole picture just using dots. Great. Add some more green in there. Then you could take your brush and you could paint in some stems for your flower. You paint in some leaves. Just remember, if you paint wet on wet, it will mix together. So if you want to add some grass later, you're going to want to let it dry and then add some more to it. Now, ideally, I would let this dry, and then I would add, like I could add some antenna on my butterfly. I could also take some markers and come down here, and I could draw in some flowers, or I could draw a little rabbit. You're only limited by your imagination. So it's just a lot of fun using a straw and some Q-tips to come up with a beautiful tree. I hope you had fun today. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, Little Woods Art, and like this video. Goodbye.